2 weeks ago, I almost gave up on ever losing this belly fat. Then I found one simple cycling routine glow, and everything changed. Welcome back, Pharaoh. Today I'm sharing the exact routine that actually worked.
No gym membership, no crazy diet for POW, just a bike and 30 minutes a day.
This is what 2 weeks of consistency actually looks like.
Stay till the end, Frau. I'm giving you the full day-by-day plan, completely free.
6 months ago, my routine was die. Wake up, sit at a desk, collapse on the couch. I kept telling myself I'd start on Monday pieing, and Monday kept moving. Every app, every program promised results, none of them were for beginners like me. I was tired, frustrated, and honestly embarrassed by where I let myself get.
Then my buddy showed up with 2 bikes and said, just try it once. I almost said no, but something in me was done making excuses.
That first ride was slow, uncomfortable, but it was the turning point.
You got this. Keep going, you're doing great. I came home tired Dow, and somehow, for the first time in months, I felt hopeful.
So I made a simple plan, and I committed to 14 days, no matter what.
Here's the exact structure broken into 3 phases over 14 days.
Phase 1 is days 1 through 4. We call this the wake-up phase.
Days 1 through 4, just 15 minutes of easy, steady cycling every morning.
Keep your pace conversational. If you can't talk, you're going too hard.
Target heart rate for beginners, theta, 110 to 130 beats per minute, nothing more.
After each ride, drink a full glass of water. Hydration is where fat loss starts.
Phase 2, a try, days 5 through 10 per. This is where the real magic happens.
We bump it up to 25 minutes down and add 2 short 30-second speed bursts.
These short bursts, called intervals, Hughes, torch more belly fat than steady cycling alone.
Your body keeps burning calories for hours after an interval session. Rail. It's called the afterburn effect.
Around day 6, I noticed I was sitting straighter Tao, and my energy through the day was different.
I didn't change my entire diet, Payet. I just stopped eating after 8 p.m. and drank more water. Day 7, Hera. 1 week done. I almost quit on day 3, but I pushed through. The scale showed I was down almost 4 pounds bestound, but more importantly, I felt different.
I'm not gonna lie, I actually got emotional. This was really working.
Phase 3, the final push. Days 11 through 14.
We go to 35 minutes time with 3 45-second sprint intervals built in.
These last 4 days will test you, Han. But this is where belly fat gives up.
Every morning I finished, I felt like I owned the day before it even started.
Here's the full schedule, POW. Screenshot this right now. 14 days. 3 phases. That's the entire plan.
By week 2, my neighbors started asking what I was doing differently. Day 14. I rode further than I ever thought I could when this started. At the end of week 2 file, here's what actually changed. 6 pounds lighter, 1.5 inches off my waist, fulfill, and I actually sleep better now.
My resting heart rate dropped 7 points in just 2 weeks for Dauer. That's your heart getting stronger.
The number on the scale is great fail, but how I feel is what made me keep going. That old shirt I couldn't wear, I wore it to dinner last Friday.
I called my friend and told him how. You might have just changed my life with those bikes.
Here's what I want you to understand, Faye. Results come from showing up, not from being perfect.
Mistake number 1, creek. Starting too fast and burning out by day 3.
Slow and consistent beats fast and inconsistent. Guy, every single time.
Mistake 2, Di. Eating heavy meals at night. Stop eating after 8 p.m. and watch what happens. I skipped day 8, the foom, and I did it anyway on day 9. One missed day isn't failure.
I always start my day with a full glass of water. It makes a huge difference. If I can do this penned, a guy who hadn't exercised in 2 years, a Ben, you absolutely can too.
Drop a comment below. What's your day 1? I'll be reading every single one.